Hey Warrior, happy Psoriasis Awareness Month 2022. Matt here, pushing out another video for you to give you an update on my skin and my life and how things are going. Talk to you a little bit about what awareness means to me. So the healing process continues as always. Here are the arms, the shoulders, lightening in the shoulder, lightening around the ear and the neck, the jaw, the root canal. So it's getting better there. Better around the neck, still kind of crusting, but the face is doing really well. Really excited about my progress in the face here. You can see around the nose is lightening up a lot. So around the jaw, it's doing good. Had some dental work done last month, some fillings. So, there's always trauma going on, but you can see how it spreads out away from the liver and spreading across the back, but lightening and thinning. Failing, it gets itchy as it runs through these lymph nodes here, and I have lymph nodes here, that area, and so the lower body area, you can see it's just draining out of there. Little booty shot right there. So you see the circles there where it's felt flat around the ribs and there, and the legs are the beast of burden as always, but it's spreading up on the quads as the lower leg gets lighter and clears out more. A lot of serious work going on in the legs, especially this left leg. So, it comes up and it will spread up on the... Stay there, camera. It will spread up on the heels. See that there? But hey, it's healing, it's getting a little bit better. Got to be a little bit easy on myself here. The summer has been one crazy summer. Been getting a lot done. I've been helping my family, been helping my mom, getting her moved down to Florida. Had a bachelor party that I was the best man for, which was a lot of fun. I try to take it easy on myself. The mental health game is just such as important. And that kind of brings me into what I want to tell you about with my Healing Warrior Awareness. I know this is Psoriasis Awareness Month, but what is that healing? What does that awareness mean to you? How do you define awareness? To me, it's a tide raising all ships. As I learn, as I live, as I gain wisdom and experience, and as I take action and stick to it long enough, even in the face of, oh, this is never going to work, or oh, you should go back to your doctor, or oh, this and this and this, years and years and years now, 10 years coming in. This is what Healing Warrior Awareness means to me. So for me, it's a triangle of triumph, my ARA triangle of triumph, that I try to keep my focus inside this triangle of what I can control, and the things outside of the triangle of triumph that I cannot control, I stop thinking so much about those and I stay focused on this triangle. At the top is the A, awareness. As it rises, my skills increase and improve. My healing improves, happens all over, and I get better and better and better. And that's awareness at the pinnacle of the triangle that I keep my focus in, is that raising awareness to my strength and power and sovereignty and ability to take action no matter what is happening in society, what drug's not working anymore, what's making it worse. Have to raise awareness around what we are capable of, what you are capable of. And once that's raising that first A, then you have the R at the cornerstone, which is responsibility. In my ability of actions I can take, how can I be responsible to myself? How can I build a routine every day that I can follow in the morning? Even if one day is really bad and I only get one step out of my 5-step routine done, at least I've taken that one step. I've been responsible in that one step. And that responsibility is increasing along with the tide that raises all ships, awareness. And once you're being responsible to the actions you can take to heal, then's the other A in the triangle, which is accountability. How do you keep yourself accountable? How do you build commitment? How do you deepen concentration in the face of all the distraction and all the I don't have any time and I don't have any money? How do you become accountable to your practice? You study your health benefits. You study your gut health. You study your skin. You study the amount of time you're able to go for a walk in nature or to meditate for a little while to calm down the anxiety and the nerves and be an agent of change in reducing your own stress. That's the accountability. Write it down. Keep a journal. A journal is so important, even if it's just private. Take pictures for yourself, even if they're just private, so you can see, oh, wow, I'm still red all over, but 2 years ago, 2 months ago, I was much, much worse. I know that through my personal benchmarks. And I know you can get a lot out of that too by being accountable to yourself through journaling, writing, remembrance, reflection, and saying, wow, I can do this. I'm a warrior. I can do this. That's what it's all about. So we have to have a feedback loop inside that's positive and reinforcing, because psoriasis sucks. It's awful. It's rough. It's itchy. It's bleedy. It spreads. It gets worse. When you do more to help it, it gets worse. Wah! So we have to have a feedback loop to counteract that. And that's our triangle of triumph, our healing warrior awareness. That's what I want you to focus on this month for psoriasis awareness. Ask yourself, what is my healing warrior awareness? How am I responsible to myself and my practice? How am I accountable to my practice? Write this stuff down. Go to phwarrior.com. That's my link tree. I have a free guide on there. I have a podcast on there that I'm going to be firing back up. I have an advanced group that I'm putting together that I'm really excited about. So check it out, phwarrior.com. Check those links out there, and I can help you raise your awareness, improve your responsibility, and chart your accountability to self. All right, warriors. Warrior Matt out.